The Sanikatta is the oldest salt manufacturing village in Karnataka state. Beginning from 1720, Sanikatta has been manufacturing salt for nearly 300 years. The Sanikatta village is situated nearly 27 kilometers from Kumta bus stand. Sanikatta is very near to Gokarna. When we talk about Gokarna, the Mahabaleshwara temple, Mahaganapati temple, Om beach, Kudle beach and main beaches are very famous. In 1952, the region's nearly 60 individual salt manufacturers, both big and small, joined hands to form a cooperative society. After the formation of the society, the salt processing unit has expanded to around 400 acres and is now one of the biggest such units in India. Then when we talk about Sanikatta, in the neatly made pans, we can see men standing in the ankle-deep water stirring the water using long poles. I interact with them to understand the process. Salt manufacturing at Sanikatta starts as soon as the monsoon rains stop, which is usually in September. The river water is made to flow into a large reservoir where it is stored for some days. Here the water is allowed to evaporate naturally until its density reaches around 2.5 degrees. During September, salt pans measuring 100 x 20 feet are made in over 400 acres. The pans are cleaned of scum and rubble, and in the last week of September water from the reservoir is made to flow into them. It takes around 20 days for this water to evaporate and the density to reach 20 degrees. This water is then released into condensers to form crystals. This process involves a lot of skill, which only experts can do. The salt we consume should have a density of 27 degrees. The harvested salt is stored in the storehouses. Since the whole process makes use of natural energy, workers made stored salt into 1 kilogram packs that can be easily available in market. 1 kilogram of salt contains 30 to 60 ppm of iodine. As iodine plays important role in thyroid health and normal functioning of body.